Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone text messages not sending. First, open the settings and check that you have the internet connection to send your iMessage. You can use a Wi-Fi connection or a cellular connection to access the internet. Check that you have cellular data. You can call your mobile operator to make sure your plan is connected to the internet. If the problem isn't solved, then return to Settings, scroll down and select General Settings. Here select Date and Time and check that you have right time. If it is not true, next turn off the Set Automatically option and set the right time. OK? And the last method to send iMessages is to reset the network settings. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and tap on Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode. The network settings will return to their default state. And if the error was caused by a software failure, then after resetting the network settings, messages should be sent. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.